Hello there and welcome. My name is Valeria and you are listening to Babies' Heart Diseases podcast for Baby and Mother Health Organization. Our chapter today talks about congenital heart disease. Heart diseases are usually associated with obesity, blood pressure, lack of physical activity, or any other condition related to adulthood. In this opportunity, we are going to learn about congenital heart diseases related to unborn babies and newborn babies, their early detection and treatment. Every year, 1 in 7 babies is born in Tucumán with heart failure. This failure poses a risk of death for the baby. The causes of heart defect are multiple, but early detection is the key to ensure then adequate treatment and a normal development in life. The woman undergoes several tests during pregnancy, such as ultrasounds, blood tests, sugar level control, weight, and a vaccination schedule. All these to help the baby's normal growth and development. However, the echocardiogram test has a particularity. To ensure its effectiveness, it must be performed in the 18th week. At these times, doctors can detect any failure in the baby's heart. In these cases, the mother is referred to a specialized hospital for delivery. Here we have the story of Sandra and Camilo Centurión from Santiago del Estero. They are parents of Luis, a 3-year boy who was born with tetralogy of Fallot. They discovered his health condition at the time of delivery. Doctors acted quickly to save his life. Centurion's spouses had never heard of congenital heart disease or the early detection of heart failure. Nowadays, their commitment with information spread about early heart failure. After hearing this story, think of a pregnant woman you know, perhaps a friend, a neighbor, a co-worker, or a classmate. By talking to her and sharing information about heart failure, you will be helping to save a life. We cannot stress enough the importance of the echocardiogram test in the 18th week to detect any heart disease. We need to extend that knowledge to the population beyond the central care centers. In simple but urgent language, it is crucial to spread the importance of up-to-date baby care. We hope that the public can become involved in the dissemination of the information together with healthcare professionals. Sometimes you don't need to make great efforts to help others. We come to the end of our podcast, but we leave you an invitation. Join us in this baby's heart disease awareness. Speak, ask, and share. For more information, visit www.congenitalheartdisease/women.saving.heart/. Thanks for your attention, and we look forward to our next podcast.